Hello! Artificial flowers not only stay fresh, but also can do whatever according to the season and needs. So today, I'd like to share with you this item, artificial plum blossom. This item has some small flowers, it's very beautiful, and a few leaves, a set of the plum blossom. It can't take your eyes off, right? And for this item, the total height is 109 centimeters and the weight is 94 grams. For material, the petals and leaves is made of polyester and the flower stem is PE with iron wire inside, so you can adjust the flowers as you like. It's very easy to fold in and cut short. For this flower's language is strong, elegant, happiness, and lofty loneliness. Because this item is open in the winter season, so it's still open in the cold wind, the strong quality is admirable. Also, it symbolizes the good wishes, the anticipation of the better life. So for this artificial plum blossom, I hope you like it.